How to close your Fairstone account. So here's a step-by-step guide. First, you need to pay off your balance. Ensure your account has a zero balance. You need to pay off any outstanding loan or credit balance before closing the account. You can make a payment online via their website, through your bank, or by phone. Then you will have to contact Fairstone customer service, their phone number, to inform them that you would like to close your account. The customer service representative will guide you through the process, ensuring your account is in good standing and confirming any additional steps. You can also visit a Fairstone branch, but that is optional. You don't have to go in person. You can do it over the phone. Then you will receive confirmation once your account is closed. You will receive written confirmation for your records. This will serve as proof that your Fairstone account has been fully closed. Then you can verify with your credit report. After closing your account, you may want to check your credit report to ensure that it reflects the closed status of your Fairstone account. Hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.